I'm on this new show, Filbert. I'm Filbert, star of the show. Hey, everyone. BoJack's here, ready to shoot.
You say you want to get better and you don't know how.
I'm not someone therapy works on. I might be too smart.
Would it kill you to smile?
You say you want to get better and you don't know how.
Is this like an AA thing?
No, I don't need AA.
This is going to be a sensational season of television.
It's confusing, which means the show is daring and smart.
I think I can handle exactly this amount of complication as long as things don't become one bit more complicated.
Look at you skulking behind doors with a malevolent aura.
I'm a bad guy. And the world needs to know.
Ouch! Are you keeping things together?
What's going on with you?
Are you gonna be okay?
You say you want to get better and you don't know how.